Would you like to reach your short, medium, and long-term goals? You are at the right place. Watch this video right now. You might want to create a passionate relationship. You might want to boost your financial power. You might want to be happier or to bring tranquility into your life. Whatever you want to get, to achieve, to transform your life, as you're trying to do that, I'm sure that you are going to face one of the three challenges that I'm going to share with you right now. The number one challenge is that everyone faces as they're trying to accomplish their goal, to manifest their dream, transform their goal. It's the challenge of confusion. If there is no clarity in our mind, then it's like to try to drive a car into a fog. It's impossible. Most likely to have an accident. The second challenge is the challenge of overwhelming. We live in a world that now we have access to tons of information, and this is overwhelming. Why? Because you know what? A few years back then, maybe 100, 200 years back then, people didn't have access to information. They were uninformed. And now we are at the opposite side of this coin. And we have access to quite a bit information. And we can handle this information. So all this information, they make us to feel overwhelming, and we can't handle it. And the last one, the third challenge, is the challenge of lack of system. Think about it. McDonald's, Starbucks, KFC, and all these big companies has a system. On the other side, all the brick and mortar guys has no system. That's the difference. Starbucks sells a coffee, and a coffee shop in your neighborhood sells coffee. What's the difference? There is a system on these big companies. All these challenges leads to limited results, and these results is your experience. It's your reality, and this reality ruins your self-confidence. And the date that you decided that, oh, I don't believe in myself, you started ruining your life without realizing it. So, what you have to do is, number one, you have to be specific in what you want in your life. And in order to do that, you have to start, mental diet. Imagine that you have a whiteboard with tons of words on it. Start clean all these words, phrases, whatever you have in your mind. And just keep what you want. Just keep the needed one. All the other, just clean it. The second step that you have to follow is to start believing in yourself. Yes, you have to start believing in yourself because you are awesome. How can you do that? You can enroll in some personal development courses, or to start doing small things every day in order to get back your confidence. And then you have to check if you really believe in your goals. If you not believe in your goals, then what you have to do is to revise them, to design them. And last step, but not least, create a system. How can you pick an effective system? It's simple. Find a role model. When you find a role model and you copy their behavior, you can create your own effective system. But be careful. Don't confuse the personality with the behavior, because many people do that. The only thing that you want to copy is just their behavior. Forget who they are. Three steps that you have to go through in order to get back your confidence and achieve your goals. The short, medium, and long-term goals is number 1, be specific, doing mental diet. And then you'll see what you really want in this life. The second one is to start believing yourself, work on yourself. And the third one, create a unique, effective system. Place a system in whatever you want to accomplish, transform in your life. And you know what? Now it's time to take action, because knowledge is not power. Knowledge is a potential power. You can transform the knowledge into the power when you decide to take action. So, you have two options. The first one is to be spectator on your dreams of your life, or to be a player, to be a star. Whatever you choose to do, it's fine, just accept it. But remember, whatever you choose to follow, you will face some consequences. Choose what are the consequences that you want to experience and go for it. So, do your best, because you deserve it. And remember, live in full excellence. This is your coach, Manos.